This video will guide you on how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets data containing the duplicates you want to remove. Now, you select the datas, click on the Data tab at the top of the screen, locate and click on the Data Cleanup. Now you choose Remove Duplicates. A pop-up box will appear like this and you're prompted to select the columns you want to analyze. When you're done, you click on the Remove Duplicates button. Now, the duplicates datas have been removed and the unique rows remain. You click on OK. So guys, as you can see, duplicated datas have been removed. So that is how you easily remove duplicates in Google Sheets. That's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSolve for more videos. Bye guys. See you in the next video.